Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this cool little multi-tool. It's a 12-in-1 from iFkoo, iFkoo. Alright, so this looks like it comes with a carrying case too. So it's a 12-in-1 multi-tool. So let's get this unboxed here. There's the barcode. Okay, that side seems a little stiff. Let's try the bottom. Okay, put that over there. Nice little brown box. Alright, so again, this is from iFkoo. Comes in a nice little carrying pouch, belt loop. Okay, that's all we have inside there. And here is your 12-in-1. Okay, so it comes with factory grease on it. And as you see, here's the hammer, some pliers, a nail puller, and here's the unlock. And then once you unlock it, then you're able to use, the pliers. I like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so what else we have in here? Oh, what's this? Is that like a lock for the knife? Maybe. Oh yeah, it is. Look at that. See, so now it's locked in place. Just pull this little, there you go. Pull that and then you can close it. Okay, so we have the saw with a minus little screwdriver, saw, okay, I guess I'll go out this way first. Oh, we have a nail filer on this side. It looks like we have a more jagged saw. Oh wow, you can actually feel that one. So that's made for like small twigs and branches. Here's a smooth Tonto style knife, or drop front, I guess was what they call it. Okay, and this one is with a can opener and a plus screwdriver. Okay, and I think that's it. So again, you'll have to push this to unlock. Oh, so it's, you could do it from both sides. And be dexterous, huh? Okay. Okay, and close it all. And bam! Again, unlock that to release this, and then you have the pliers and hammer. Alright, so here's their little branding here. It's a pretty cool gift. Something you can leave in your car because you just never know when you just need just a little handy tool or not. I'm going to keep it in the bag just so that the grease that it comes in kind of keeps it from rust. Alright, so again, this is 12-in-1 tool. Comes in this nice little pouch. So I was going to leave it like this and then put this into the car. And then, we'll always have a little emergency tool for a little small, whatchamacallit situations, and you might need one. Alright. Any questions? Leave it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. iFkoo.